My babes, happy Wednesday. Today is April 22nd, 2020. I can't believe April's almost over. Wowzers. I am just so excited right now. I just got off Zoom with some of our amazing classmates. We had some special guests. We had Mrs. Backman, our school psychologist. We had Mrs. Brown, our behavior para, and then we had Mrs. Gonzalez, our behavior and curriculum specialist. I'm just so excited for them to join and see how wonderful you guys are and see how amazing you are. So today, what we did for our Zoom was a science experiment. We had our materials, and we also used the word prediction. I will show you the end result. That is what our experiment came out. We had tie-dye milk. How cool is that? Again, thank you to my wonderful friends and colleagues for joining our Zoom this morning. I am so excited and proud to see each of your beautiful faces in the morning. Again, a review of our spelling words: land, stand, stamp, tax, south, west, north, east, direction, and product. Here, again, is our review of our writing. We'll get there shortly. I'm going to get out my binder of amazing things within here. I am so excited to know that most of you have picked up your packets and many of you have started your work. Yes, I'm so proud. Good job, friends. If you did not pick up your packet, this Friday would be the chance to pick it up. You may go anytime from 9:30 to 4:30. Again, reminders, distance learning is required. If you need lunch, you may go to our lunch services. Our lunch services are located at Central, Jacobson, Monte Vista, North, Southwest Park, West High, and Williams Middle School from 11:30 to 12:30. I'm very excited to be your teacher through this time. I'm so glad that we're learning together. I miss you guys so much. Let's do our review. Our review here, we're going to try some of our math problems today. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we have art with Shimizono tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. Your prompt: April showers. You might have heard this quote before. April showers bring May flowers. What do May flowers bring? Explain why. So let's read that and break it down. Here is our, let me pull it up, sorry. Here is our writing response. So we're going to restate the question. Let's see. April showers bring May flowers. What do May flowers bring? Explain. Answer the question. Make sure to answer all parts of the question. April showers bring May flowers. What do May flowers bring? Question 1. And explain why. 2 parts. So I think May showers bring June. What do they bring in June? I'm not really sure. citing my evidence. How do I know? E, explain and elaborate. S, sum it up. Today we're going to do action and linking verbs and verb tenses, page 7 and 8 of our grammar. Today's Class Dojo challenge is show your very best impression of a sloth and a turtle. Give us another impression and we'll guess who you are. So if you are doing these, you can post them on Class Dojo so we can see all of the amazing fun things you're doing. All right, so for your spelling menu, we're not going to review your spelling menu because you guys, here you have your words and you guys know exactly how to do your spelling. We went over seeds to move yesterday. So let's look at our equivalent fractions pages. First thing, let's read the directions. Fractions are equivalent when they have the same part of the whole. Equivalent fractions are different names for the same amount. Follow the directions, write equivalent or not equivalent on the line. So the first one, number 1, says color 2/6 of the apples red. So you should have your handy crayons. I'm going to get out my red crayon. And it says 2/6. So I have 6 apples and I'm coloring 2. Two 6 are colored. Now it says color 1/3 green. One out of 3 green. So I divided my page in half because I'm just doing 3. Here's 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3. So the question says write equivalent or not equivalent on the line. Are they the same? Are they equivalent? Yes. So I would write equivalent on the line. Let's do another one together. Number 2, color 1/2 of the flowers pink. So I'm going to color the top half pink. 1/2 are colored pink. Color 2/4 yellow. So I'm going to split them and divide them into 4. So here is 4, and here is 4, and it says color 2 out of 4. So I have 4 total colored. Are those equivalent? Yes. All right, number 3. Color 1/3 of the leaves. So I split them into groups of 3, and I colored 1 out of 3. Okay. Color 1/4 red. Oops, I put my red away. So they're in groups of 4. And I'm going to color 1/4. Are these the same? I have 4 colored here and 3 colored here. Are those the same? No, so they are not equivalent. Equivalent is just a big math word. You guys got this. All right, let's do the last one on this page. Color 1/3 cap of the caps blue. So let me get out my blue. 1/3, so I'm going to split them into groups of 3. I'm going to color 1 in each group of 3. So here's my groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm coloring 1 of my 3. Next, color 3/9 orange. So I'm coloring 3 out of 9 orange. So I don't need to split them into groups because this is already 9, so I need to color 3 of them. So how many total do I have colored? 3. How many total do I have colored? 1, 2, 3. So they are equivalent. Equivalent. So you are going to continue, and we will check our review. We'll check them out later. I know that was some questions for you guys. Some of you had questions on that one. Again, Shimizuno is always here to help. Please let me know how I can help. I'm putting my crayons away, and I am getting out my grammar packet. So make sure you get out your grammar packet. All right, my very beautiful friends. We're going to work on, I'm going to put my equivalent fractions away, and we're going to get out our grammar. We're going to open to page 7. Let's get started. An action verb, it's what you do. An action verb is the word that shows action. An example, we play basketball. So you're actually playing, so that is your verb. I think about the pet. So think is a verb because you are doing something with your mind. So it says in exercise, underline the action verbs in each sentence below. Number 1, have you ever wished for a dog of your very own? Ooh, there's someone in our class that has always wanted a dog. So what are you doing here? You're wishing for a dog. Number 2, choose the breed of your dog very carefully. So what are you doing? You're choosing. I would like you to do 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Let's read them. Puppies may grow to be very large or very small. Number 4, your dog must receive good care, attention, and exercise. Number 5. The right dog will give you years of pleasure and enjoyment. Number 6. Can you imagine yourself as a dog owner? When you're done, check your answers. All right, let's move on. A linking verb does not show action. Instead, it links the subject with a noun or objective in the predicate of the sentence. Forms of the verb be are common linking verbs. Puppies are cute. What are they? They're cute. So are connects puppies and cute together. Next, underline the linking verbs in the sentence, then fill out the chart. We're not going to fill out the chart, but we're going to underline the linking verbs. Tom's new puppy is playful and mischievous. So our linking verb is is, because Tom's new puppy is our noun. What is Tom's new puppy? Playful and mischievous. So is links those two concepts together. Number 2, his dad's socks are a temptation to the puppy. What links two things together? Are. All right, I'm going to have you do 3 through 6 on your own. Number 3, Mom and Dad were angry when the puppy chewed up a shoe. Number 4, they were surprised when the puppy got into Mom's flowers. Number 5, he was so happy rolling around in the dirt. Number 6, the puppy will be less trouble when he grows up. If you're done, pause and check your answers. All right, now we're moving on to page 8. Page 8. A past tense verb shows action that is happening now. Or I'm sorry, blah, blah, blah. That was not what I meant to say. I meant to say a present verb, it's what you do, shows action that is happening now. A past verb shows action that has happened earlier. A future tense verb shows action that will take place in the future. So that was a lot of stuff. So I'm going to write these out. So present, now, past, future. Okay. So the past, the present is happening now. The past already done. Future going to happen. So we're going to write the verbs using the tenses shown in parentheses. So Tom tried. So is Tom present? He is trying. He is currently doing it. He's trying. He already has tried. And then Tom will try. Okay. Walk. Karen has walked today would be past. She already walked. Present. She is currently walking. She will walk later. Work. So they work. Are they working? Yes. So we need to write they are working. They already worked. They will work. All right, so we are looking at our word list. Whew, okay, a calendar chart the days of each month. So right now, so we are a calendar chart. A calendar is charting. Number 3, sand trickle through the hourglass. So it has already happened. So we add an ed. So it has trickled. And then use in past tense is used. People used hourglass before clocks were invented. Sorry, I'm reading backwards. All right, let's do 5 through 11. A pendulum blank time by the Earth's rotation. So present, it tells, telling, or told. Number 6, John blank his watch when changing time zones. So in the future, he's going to reset. Number 7, dine, present. He dine at 8 every evening during the week. So Martha's going to do something with the hands on the clock in the future. The distance past the sun and the moon blank man tell time. Number 10, the Egyptians blank the solar calendar. And number 11, timepieces 100 years from now blank differently. Operate in the future. Here are the answers. This one was super hard. Don't worry if you did not get them correct. It's okay. That one was super hard. I absolutely adore that at the end of our Zoom meeting, we all did a heart. So I'm going to do this from now on. Shimazono loves you. Shimazono signing out.